أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وإذ استسقى موسى لقومه فقلنا اضرب بعصاك الحجر فانفجرت منه اثنتا عشرة عينا قد علم كل أناس مشربهم كلوا واشربوا من رزق الله ولا تعصوا في الأرض مفسدين. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I recited Surah Baqarah Ayat number 60. In this ayat, Allah tells us about the blessings that Allah has done on Bani Israel, and especially in this ayat, when they were passing through the desert, uh, so that time they were thirsty, and Allah uh, Allah told Musa alayhi salam uh, to strike uh, the stick on a stone, and then Allah produced from the stone 12 fountains of water, and there were 12 tribes, and they found their own water. And this is the main thing in this ayat. So we read now. Allah said, "Wa iza, wa and is, wa is mean when, wa is, wa and when, wa is taska Musa, when Musa asked for water, or Musa alayhi salam requested Allah for water, because the people, they were thirsty and they requested Musa alayhi salam for water. So Musa alayhi salam requested Allah in a dua, wa istasqa Musa, and when Musa alayhi salam requested Allah for water, liqawmihi, for his people. When Musa alayhi salam requested water from Allah for his nation or for his people, فَقُلْنَا, for so kulna, we said. So Allah said, فَقُلْ نَدْرِبْ, nadrib means strike, بِأَسَاكَ, asa mean the stick, ka yours, بِأَسَاكَ hajar, hajar means stone. So Allah said, you just strike your stick on the stone. فَقُلْ نَدْرِبْ بِأَسَاكَ الْحَجَرِ, so we said, strike your stick on the stone. Fan fajarat, so fan fajarat, the gushed out or came out, minhu, from it mean from the stone. From the stone gushed out, came out water. Min husnata ashrata, 12. Ain mean the spring, the water spring. The 12 springs come out, or 12 springs of water that were produced or gushed out from the stone. فَانْفَجَرَتْ مِنْ حُسْنَةَ عَشْرَةَ عَيْنًا, so 12 springs gushed out from the stone. قَدْ عَلِمَ كُلُّ أُنَاسٍ مَشْرَبَهُمْ. قَدْ no doubt, ulama found, or they got the knowledge, or they found kullu unasan, every person. So the every person found their water. Mashrabahum mean the drinking place. Mashrab mean drinking place. Mashrabahum, their drinking place. Kad alima, so they knew, they understood. Kullu unasan, every person from the Musa alayhi salam, the people who were there. So they found every person from every tribe, they found their own drinking place, because there were 12 tribes and 12 fountain of water. So the everyone found the drinking place, because they know that that is their drinking place. They will go to drink from their own place, because the 12 places were distributed among the tribes. So in order to maintenance the peace and love, so distribution is the good thing. That is, here we understand that when we have something, we have to distribute, like with the justification, like with the justice to everyone. So there should not be a disturbance. Otherwise, disturbance possible within the tribes, within the people, because the shatanic intervention or the personal nafs or something happen. So we have to distribute, like here, the water that was produced, the 12 fountains or 12 springs that was produced when the Musa alayhi Islam strike the he struck the hit struck the stick on the mountain, on the stone, and the 12 fountains of water they came out. And there were the people who were 12 tribes. Every tribe found one place, one drinking place. So this way, all 12 tribes they satisfied with the requirement of water. So they got it. Qad alima kullu unasim mashrabahum. So every person from every tribe they found their drinking place. Kulu, Allah said, Kulu. Kulu mean eat, because Allah before in the previous ayat Allah said that you you can eat, because Allah sent down from the sky man and salwa. That was the special gift of Allah. So Allah said, eat now, washrabu, and drink. Kulu, eat, washrabu, and drink. Now water is available, food was available. So Allah said, rizq is available to you, eat and drink. Mid rizqillah, from the rizq that is given to you or blessed to you by Allah. So you have to eat and drink the rizq that has been given to you, the provision that is given to you by Allah. Wala ta'asaw, and don't disturb. So wala ta'asaw, and don't disturb, and don't do any wrong things, and don't act wrongly. Wala ta'asaw. So ta'asaw mean like act wrongly or wickedly or disobediently, something like. So wala ta'asaw, and don't act wrongly or disturb, don't disturb. Fil ardi, on the surface of the earth, and don't act wrongly on the surface of the earth. Mufsideen, to produce disturbance. Mufsideen mean fasad. Fasad is the disturbance. When there is disturbance possible, then the dispute possible, and then is fighting possible, then is the war and battle possible. So killing possible, problem possible. So this way, Allah don't like fasad. This way, in many places in Holy Quran, Allah said, "Wallahu la yuhibbul fasad." Allah is not to like the facade. So disturbance is the main thing that causes too many problems. So this way, disturbance Allah dislike completely. So Allah said, now here is the greatest lesson for us, that when we have food and water, or when we have all of our requirements, what we need, if the requirements are fulfilled completely, like eating, drinking, and everything. So when everything we had, we have everything, then that time we have seen many people when they have everything, they've risked everything, then what they do, they try to do disturbance, they disturb the people, they disturb different within the society, they do some evil practices, they do mistakes, they do some wrong things within the society, so they cross the limits of their religion, Islam. So this happens, and due to that one, then is problem start within the society, the peace process becomes disturbed. So disturbance, tilting out of process of peace, so that is not accepted by Allah. So Allah don't like fasad on the surface of the earth. Allah said, when I gave you the food and water and everything, your requirement, when it has been fulfilled, then why you are disturbing, why you are producing disturbance, why you becoming disobedient? So this is the main thing. So when we have everything available which we need, so that time we must be thankful to Allah. That is the main thing. So no disturbance, no mufsideen, shakirin. We must have a shukr, like thank to Allah, because Allah provided everything which we need. So this way, Allah said, "وَإِذِ اسْتَسْقَى مُوسَى لِقَوْمِهِ." And when Musa alayhi salam requested Allah for water uh, for the people, فَقُلْ نَضْرِبْ, and we said to Musa alayhi salam, strike bi asaq al hajr, strike your stick on the mountain, on the stone. فَانْفَجَرَتْ مِنْ حُسْنَةَ عَشْرَةَ aina. So then from the stone, so 12 fountain or 12 springs gushed out or came out from the stone. So قَدْ عَلِمَ كُلُّ أُنَاسٍ مَشْرَبَهُمْ. So they were 12 tribes, and they everyone from every tribe so found or got the knowledge of their drinking place. So Kulu washrabu, Allah said, eat and drink. Min rizqillah, the risk that has been provided to you by Allah. Wala tasaw, and don't do anything wrong, and don't act wrongly. Fil ard, on the earth, and mufsideen. And then Allah said, you don't be mufsideen, fasad. Don't do disturbance on the surface of the earth. So that is the thing Allah tells us here, that so the main thing is that when Bani Israel, they, with the order of Allah, with the command of Allah, when Musa alayhi salam said to the Bani Israel that our original place, our homeland was Syria, and Allah said you have to go to get your place back and stay there and uh, and spend the life according to the teachings of Torah, that the holy book that has been given to them. So Musa alayhi salam, when he said to the people, they were not ready, but they became ready after that, when he said that this is the command of Allah and you have to follow it completely. So then those people who from Bani Israel, they came with Musa alayhi salam when they were passing through the desert, and there was the problem of sunshine and heat and more problem, their need of water because they were thirsty. So there was no water, and they requested Musa alayhi salam that we need water, please arrange it. Then Musa alayhi salam requested Allah in a dua, and Allah said, strike your stick on the stone. And when he struck the stick, then from the stone 12 fountains of water they gushed out, they come out. Then everyone, every person from every tribe, from the people of Bani Israel who were with Musa alayhi salam, they found their drinking place. And Allah said, now I have provided you the food also, and drinking like water also, so you have no any other problem. So all of your requirements have been fulfilled. Now you don't disturb in on the surface of the earth, don't act wrongly, don't be disobedient. So it means it is a good lesson for us. When we have everything which we need, we must be thankful to Allah, and inshallah we try. Allah will give us tawfiq. Ameen.